In this class, we will discuss about hexadecimal to binary number conversion. That means by using hexadecimal to convert binary number. In this conversion, by using direct conversion by use table. That means by using the table to convert hexadecimal to binary number conversion. Here base of hexadecimal is 16. Binary base 2. In this conversion, 16 is equal to 2 to power 4. Here 2. Binary is 2. That means 2 is less than 2 power 4. That comes 2 cube, 2 square, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. Here the table is here hexadecimal maximum number of values is 16. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 15. So the conversion is the table will be taken zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Zero has no value, therefore 0, 0, 0, 0. Here binary consists 4 powers: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. Here 0 has no value, therefore the binary values comes 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. That means 3 zeros, final 1. Here 2 means 2 power 1. Here 1, remaining 3 zeros. 3, 2 plus 1, remaining 2 zeros. 4, 2 square, remaining 3 zeros. 5, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, remaining 2 zeros. 6, 4 plus 2, remaining 0. 7, 4, 2 plus 1, 4, 2, 1, remaining 0. 8, 2 cube, 8, remaining 0. 9, 2 cube plus 2 not, that means 2 cube plus 1, remaining 0. 10, 2 cube plus 2 power 1, 8 plus 2, 10, remaining 0. 2 cube, 2 power 1, 2 power 0, remaining 0. 12, 8, 8 plus 4, remaining 0. 13 plus 1, remaining 0. 14, 8, triple 1, remaining 0. Here 15 means 4 ones. This is the conversion of hexadecimal to binary number conversion. Example of hexadecimal to binary conversion. Here example is 247. Hexadecimal converted into binary. Here 2 has 0010, 4 has 0100, 7 has 0111, binary. This is the conversion of hexadecimal into binary. In another example is to convert binary into hexadecimal. In this binary we take 1 000 11 1 00 binary. In this binary we will take 4 decimal points, 4 decimal lines, 4 decimal values. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here point decimal before we take right hands to left hand side, 4 decimal values and remaining 10. Here we take 4 values, but here only present 2 values, therefore we added 2 zeros. There is no change by adding the zeros. the values will be taken right hand to left hand side. Here we have three decimal values. By adding 0, take in this binary to convert hexadecimal. So this is the value of 2, this is the value of 3 point, this is the value of 8, 23.8 hexadecimal. This is the conversion of binary to hexadecimal. In this today class we discussed the hexadecimal converted into binary number system and binary number system converted to hexadecimal number system. In this hexadecimal to binary number conversion, first we take direct method by using the table, that is hexadecimal base is 16, binary base is 2. Here 16 will be written as 2 power 4 and remaining binary is 2. 2 is less than of 2 power 4, that means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. Here the powers will be taken to 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, and hexadecimal maximum value is 16, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 15. Here is the table to convert hexadecimal into binary. In this hexadecimal table we will take values 0 to 15 and the binary consists 4 powers, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. The values will becomes like this. These are the examples of converting hexadecimal into binary and binary into hexadecimal. Here we take 247. 2 consists 0010, 4 consists 0100, 7 consists 0111. This is binary conversion. And here we take binary to hexadecimal. In this binary the decimal values will become 4. 4 decimal values will be taken. So the value will become 23.8 hexadecimal. Thank you.